Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths. The question here is evaluate cos 40 degree minus theta minus sin 50 degree plus theta plus cos square 40 degree plus cos square 50 degree by sin square 40 degree plus sin square 50 degree. Now here other than the table trigonometric ratios, other than the values given 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, other than the values, if anything is given, here it is 40, here it is 50, if these values are given other than the table values, we should think of the complementary angle. We should think of complementary angles. Here it is only sine and cos. We know that complementary angles for sine is cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Same way sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So here there is only cos and sine, so we are going to apply this over here. Now check. Here if I add this 2, I get my 90 degree. Complementary angles are nothing but the sum of the two angles 90 degree. If I add this 2, here I am getting my complementary angle as 90 degree. So if you add any two trigonometric ratio, if you get 90 degree, change any one of the value, whether you can change this or this. If you change this, you should not change this. If you want to change this, you should not change this. So we need to change any one. Adding the complementary angles, if you find these two are in complementary, then change any one of the complementary angles. Now I am going to change this. I can write my cos 40 as 90 minus 50. Instead of 40, we can write this to be 90 minus 50 because 90 minus 50 is nothing but 40. I will not change this. I will write this as it is. Now plus this plus cos square, even this we can change, this 2 if I add I get 90 degree, this 2 if I add it, I get 90 degree. So I want to change only one angle of this, so I am changing this as 90 minus 50. It is only 40, so it is 90 minus 50. The same way I will not change this, so this becomes cos square 50 by sin square. I want to change this. So this becomes 90 minus 50 plus sin square 50. Now, I want the value as cos 90 minus theta, but there are two minus here. I can't take the value, so I am going to write this to be, I am taking minus sign common. If I take minus sign common, this becomes 50 plus theta. If you multiply this inside, we get minus 50 minus theta. So I have not changed anything, just bringing my minus sign outside. Minus, here it becomes sin 50 plus theta. Now this cos 90 minus theta, though it is square or cube, any value, you can change that to a complementary angle. And here it becomes cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. So as it is square here, we need to write this to be sin square 50 plus cos square 50 by here sin square, sorry, we need to change to a complementary angle. So this becomes sin square 90 minus theta will become cos theta. So cos square 50 plus sin square 50. Now here cos 90 minus this, we need to take this whole thing to be a theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So I can write this to be sin instead of theta, the whole thing. So this becomes sin 50 plus theta minus sin 50 plus theta plus, I can take this to be 1 by 1 because I know the formula as sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Wherever you are using the formula, you need to write since the formula. For this you will get half a mark in your board paper. Now this is the theta value here is same. So sin square theta plus cos square, the same value 50 will become 1. The same way cos square 50 plus sin square 50. It is an addition, so we can write it in any order. Even this will become 1. So here this 2 get cancelled. It becomes 0. So plus 1 by 1 will become 1. 1 is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.